Hello and welcome back. In this video I am going to show an overview of the latest version of Oracle Linux and some of the applications pre-installed. Oracle Linux is a Linux distribution packaged and freely distributed by Oracle, available partially under the GNU General Public License since late 2006. It is compiled from Red Hat Enterprise Linux source code, replacing Red Hat branding with Oracle's. It is also used by Oracle Cloud and Oracle engineered systems such as Oracle Exadata and others. Potential users can freely download Oracle Linux through Oracle's software delivery cloud or from a variety of mirror sites, and can deploy and distribute it without cost. The company's Oracle Linux support program aims to provide commercial technical support, covering Oracle Linux and existing Red Hat Enterprise Linux or CentOS installations but without any certification from the former. Oracle Corporation distributes Oracle Linux with two alternative Linux kernels. The first is Red Hat compatible kernel that is identical to the kernel shipped in by Red Hat Enterprise Linux. And an alternative, the Unbreakable Enterprise kernel that is based on newer mainline Linux kernel versions, with Oracle's own enhancements. The first version was released in October 2006. Oracle Linux uses systemd as its init software and supports BTRFS and XFS file systems. For package management, Oracle Linux uses DNF. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the DNF package manager. Oracle Linux includes the version 5.4.17 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of Oracle Linux are Firefox, Boxes, Evolution, Rhythmbox and Text Editor. Let me know your thoughts about Oracle Linux in the comments section below. Thank you for watching the video and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.